In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stock in Zoho Books. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a new stock item, set the right unit, and record both selling and cost prices so your sales and purchasing reports stay accurate. I'll guide you from the home dashboard all the way through saving your new item with a few tips to keep everything clean and consistent. Start on the Zoho Books homepage. Once you're in your organization's dashboard, look to the left sidebar and open the Items section. This is where your products and services live, and where we'll create the entry that represents the stock you want to manage. On the Items screen, click the New button. That opens the product creation form, which is a single page containing everything you need for basic stock setup. Click into the Name field first. Type in a clear, searchable name for your stock or product. A good name helps you and your team find it quickly when creating invoices, bills, or inventory adjustments. Keep it consistent with any naming convention you use. For example, if you sell variants or sizes, consider including the size or volume in the name so it's unmistakable on documents and reports. Next, choose the type. This is where you tell Zoho Books whether you're adding something you sell as a physical item or something you provide as a service. For stock you keep on hand, select Goods. That ensures the item behaves like a tangible product throughout your sales and purchasing workflows. Now set the unit of measurement. Open the unit dropdown and pick the unit that best fits how you buy or sell this item. In this example, we'll choose milliliters, but you should select the unit that matches your day-to-day operations, such as pieces, boxes, kilograms, or liters. Using the right unit is important for accurate quantities and valuation, especially when you track stock levels or analyze usage over time. Keep units consistent across related items so your reports are straightforward. Scroll to the Sales Information section. This part controls how the item appears on quotes and invoices. Click into the Selling Price field and enter the price you charge customers for one unit of the item. Double-check the number and currency format, and use a standard price you're comfortable seeing on every sales document. If you use tiered pricing or discounts, you can still start with a clean base price here and apply adjustments at the document level as needed. If you'd like, add a short, clear description in the description box. This text appears on customer-facing documents and helps reduce back and forth by clarifying what's included. Keep it concise but specific. Mention the size, key features, or intended use so your customers and team share the same understanding. Move down to the Purchase Information section. This is where you record what it cost you to acquire the item. Click into the Cost Price field and enter your current cost per unit. Keeping this value current improves your profit reporting and makes it easier to calculate margins at a glance. A simple way to sanity check is to compare the selling price you set earlier with this cost. A healthy gap gives you room for operational expenses and promotions. If you have a product image, click the option to browse and upload it. A clear, square image works well and makes the item easier to pick from lists, especially if you have many similar products. Keep the file reasonably small for quick loading while still sharp enough to recognize. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho Books will create the item using the name, type, unit, sales details, purchase details, and image you provided. You'll now see it in your items list, ready to be used on invoices, estimates, bills, and other transactions. If you ever need to adjust pricing, descriptions, or the image, you can open the item again and update it without recreating anything. That's all there is to it. Your stock item is now set up cleanly in Zoho Books and ready to use.